my earlier video, I asked you to look for patterns when it came to dividing by powers of 10. If you haven't found the pattern, you better stop watching this video right now because you're going to feel so good if you find the pattern yourself. Okay, here goes. Hopefully you already found the pattern yourself. If you see one number behind the decimal place, that means that you're going to take the original number, 5,000. It's really 5,000.0000000000000. Okay, I could keep saying that for the rest of my life, but I'm going to die if I do that, so I'm just going to stop there. So it's really 5,000 point and then zeros. So I'm going to move this decimal place one time because there's only one number over here behind the decimal. And if I start with the original 5,000, I move it one time, I end up with 50,000. There's two numbers behind the decimal place. So I take the original 5,000 and I move the decimal place two times. I start with the original 5,000, move the decimal place two times, and I get 500,000. In these cases, I'm moving the decimal place to make the number bigger because when I divide by a decimal, it makes the number bigger. I have $5,000 and I ask, how many dimes is that? It's a lot more dimes than it is dollars. So that's why the number is getting bigger. Or if I say, how many pennies are in $5,000? It's a whole lot of pennies. Way more pennies than dollars. So these numbers are getting bigger as I divide the decimal. You know, maybe earlier I should have said that you could have written 1/10 like this, and then you can see how it really looks like the dime. It's the same thing as 10 cents. Same thing for the 100th. If you imagine a dollar sign here, you can see how this is 1 penny, which is the same thing as 1 cent.